Advisory panel to consider third dose. On Friday, influential advisors in government will discuss whether there is sufficient evidence to show the safety and effectiveness of a booster dosage of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine, the first stage in determining which Americans need one. The Food and Drug Administration published a significant portion of the material that its advisory group will examine on Wednesday. The agency took a very neutral stance on the booster debate, an uncommon and circumspect stance made all the more remarkable in light of President Joe Biden and his senior health advisor's recent announcement of a booster campaign set to begin next week. While protection from serious diseases remains high in the United States, immunity against milder illness decreases midway between 6 and 8 months following the second dosage. At that time, the firm administered a further dosage to 306 individuals and saw threefold increases in virus-fighting antibodies compared to the previous injections. More importantly, Pfizer said, the antibodies seem to be effective against the highly infectious Delta form that is sweeping the nation. Pfizer used statistics from Israel, which started providing boosters this summer, to support its argument. This research followed about 1 million individuals aged 60 and older and discovered that those who received the additional injection were much less likely to get infected shortly thereafter. Pfizer said that this equates to about 95% efficacy during the spread of Delta, which is similar to the protection seen soon after the vaccine's launch earlier this year. In the New England Journal of Medicine on Wednesday, the Israeli study couldn't tell how long the increased protection lasted. The FDA's reviewers, on the other hand, indicated that they would rely heavily on studies on how vaccinations function in Americans, stating that such research may most closely reflect vaccine efficacy in the U.S. population. The results indicate overall that Pfizer and the U.S.-approved vaccination COVID-19 still provides protection against serious diseases of COVID-19 and mortality in the U.S. The FDA is not obliged to provide its independent consultation panel recommendations. However, if the government disregards its own experts, it risks fueling public uncertainty.